Hey, welcome back to the May 2020 forecast. We are looking at today is the ABC News, and as you can see, on Friday, the Australian market lost about $85 billion. So, and based on that, you can expect the Dow Jones would do similar things, which is actually happened. Now, the funny thing is this is a really interesting article. I was talking about that they had the greatest market run up since a decade, see, best month in decades. But the funny thing is, the market's been going down for months since the coronavirus hit. It's been dropping. So what we talk about often is that when the market drops quite significantly, there's always a rally, and short seller have been shorting the market. So they had to buy back. That's why the stock runs back up, and also bargain hunters also comes into the market space and buying up. That's why we have this huge run up. Now, if you are fooled by this, then you're in big trouble because the market is going back down. So let's go through the Dow Jones Index first. So this is the example daily chart, the Dow Jones Index. As you can see, I draw a trend line. Now, since the trend line was broken on a daily chart, I knew the market would drop. Now, even the indicator here is pointing downward. So I expect this market to do a decent reaction, probably go down to about 2,000, 20,000. So I'll be very careful, especially now. If you're on the short side, fantastic. But if you're on the long side, you're going to be in a shock. Okay, so just be aware of this. Now, if you are looking at this, we will go to the weekly chart to show you some example here. As you can see on the weekly charts, what we have is a reversal pattern. On here, the market is going to come down, so we expect that could drop to about 20,000 on a long trend. And the other thing is it's below moving average, on the weekly chart, so it's always a big thing. So I'll be very careful with those. Now, let's go to the ASX weekly. This is the ASX one on the weekly chart. Again, market drop significantly, rebounds, and again, there is a reversal pattern, just like the Dow Jones Index. So if we switch to the daily charts, as you can see, close below moving average, the market is going to go back down a lot more. So I'll be very careful, especially the markets the nice run up, so about 1,000 odd points. But when it does come back down, probably will retest this point again. So it may just be careful. There is resistance here, so we may get some support around 5,000 points. So we're talking about good 300-400 points, So Australian market tend to do that anyway in a day, so just be aware of it. But if news is not as good, the market will drop. Now, there is a major disconnect between the main street and the stock markets. But I mean, if you go and look at the markets, right, if the shops are all closed, how the hell are they going to make money? So that's one big question. So whatever that the market run up is not real. And don't forget, there is a lot of money being printed to support the markets. So don't get fooled by this. This is the first wave of the bear market. It's not over yet. There are news, especially analysts and all that stuff, say that, the market's coming back. Hell no, not even close to it. Unless you do some quantitative analysis, unless you do some fundamental analysis, even looking at the charts, it's not even close yet, I can tell you. A couple of my bots have some short-term buying signal, but even that is not overall long trends. It's still negative. So I'll be very careful and just make sure you have your risk management put in place. Before you even think about trading or investing, this is the biggest thing. Okay, so just be aware of it. And also, we are launching our own courses now on our website. So there is a special, and also because it's our first year, we've been in business for 1 year now. So May is our special 1 year birthday. So go to our site, check out the academy. There are courses you can do. We're offering special discount. So have a look and check it out. Okay, and I'll speak to you very soon.